good. So we're just heading down to London. Got a bunch of sessions lined up. No doubt there's going to be a ton of beats that we're going to make. So I'll bring you guys along with me to show you guys some of the other work that we do, as well as like just filming stuff. I'm filming like content for YouTube and stuff. So yeah, let's get to it.
Now back on the journey, back on the grind. I stay ahead of the curve, ahead of my time. If I write you a verse, just remember the song, please. You know the hotel suits me.
Gotta get myself into the gym, not because it's my choice. If I want to have a shower, yeah, get a quick gym session in. I do want to go, to be honest. Like, I've been doing well with it, you know, when you're getting like a good run. And then later we've got a rapper called GU coming through. I'll try and film some of that session for you guys, but you know, get the day started. Now we're just working on the mixing masterclass that's going to be dropping end of September 30th. Basically just put my whole mixing process into this one huge video course. Just working on the sales page. So yeah, with the sales pages, man, if you guys are making stuff like similar to this or for your drum kits, it's good to just have everything that people need to see before they make a decision to buy right in front of them, so they know exactly what they're buying. The last thing you want is for people to buy your stuff and them not knowing half the stuff that's not in it. You just kind of like need to be as transparent as possible. We've just got like the main sales video, and then basically below that I'm just spelling everything out that's in the course. You know, all the free content, how much content's in there, some examples of the mixes, you know, different genres and whatnot, and just some little bits of info, you know, just like my background, just so people can kind of, you know, get a feel for whether like the course is for them or not. I've got a lot more to add to this page, but yeah, it's definitely on the way, man. I'm liking how it's coming together. Cooking up some beats for GU before he gets here. Right up our street, man. Anything wavy melodic sounds good for this, so. How do I knock it down an octave?
Come on, shift down.
Like it went on a journey with that melody. You know what? I don't think anything else needs to be added.
No?
No. I changed up a bit of the kick pattern and the 8-weight, but I think it's kind of nice, simple to be fair.
Alright, so the session didn't happen. I made a few beats for it. Yeah, it just happens sometimes, man. It's nothing personal, it's just schedules don't line up. However, some of you older guys might know I'm into my skating, and found this like indoor skate park within a bar in London, and it's sick, man. Might have a little go. We'll see. So kickflip.
Day 3, no music work right now. I actually just editing this video. It's over a few days, so I want to make sure it's all edited. But yeah, the grind continues.
Literally, I was just like, yeah, let me just pull up loops. That's how I was doing that. Even though I had a session with Rimsey the other day, he'd done the same thing, just pulled up loops. The only thing.
What do you think about this?
Yeah. Good night, gang. Today's gonna wrap up this week. I don't know what it is, man, the difference between rappers or artists and producers, but the producers are always on time, if not early to sessions. I think I've only had 1 or 2 sessions where the rapper's been within the first hour of when we arranged the session for. But I get it, man. As an artist or like a rapper, things can be kind of spontaneous. If you've kind of like agreed to do a session 2 weeks prior and then that day comes and something randomly comes up and you have to go do that thing, it takes priority. So I guess it's nothing personal. Good productive 4 days, 4 out of 3 really good sessions. Normally it's kind of hard to get my own work done, but I managed to get the mixing masterclass wrapped up. The official launch for that is going to be on September the 30th. If you go through the first link in the description, you can join the waiting list. I'm only opening this up to 50 producers. The reason why is because I want to make sure that anyone that's on this course gets the most out of it and they actually fully learn the process of the mixing process or my mixing process. So I'm going to be running regular live chats through a private Discord. Anyone that wants feedback on their mixes can jump into those calls, get some one-on-one feedback from me. And more than 50 people will probably be a bit too hard to manage by myself. So I think 50 is probably a good number for that. But yeah, man, I appreciate you guys coming through. More studio vibes to come for sure. Peace.